Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best compound miter saw for beginners on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is DeWalt DWS715 1/2 compound miter saw. Probably the best-selling compound miter saw of all time, the DeWalt DWS715 uses a powerful 15-amp motor spinning at 4,000 RPM and innovative cam lock design to deliver precision cuts. Common miter angles can be set up quickly using the 14 preset detents, or use the handy override miter to lock in custom cuts that won't slip out of position. It supports a full 50-degree angle to both left and right, which can save you a lot of time and confusion over reversing lumber and recalculating the cuts on a more limited miter range. The DeWalt saw can accommodate bevel cuts of up 48 degrees to the left and 3 degrees to right, so that complex cuts are quick. Functionally, there is not much to complain about with this DeWalt saw. The tubular table extension is not as stable as it could be, but it does make a nice addition, and gives you more leverage for holding long pieces in place when making critical compound cuts. Similarly, the dust bag will remove almost 2/3 of the sawdust, but it fills up quickly and time spent emptying the bag is production lost. There is still room for some improvements, but the DeWalt DWS715 is arguably the best compound miter saw available today as far as value for the money. Number 2. Our second best pick is Metabo HPT C10FCGS 10 compound miter saw. A newer division of Metabo Tools, Metabo HPT, Hitachi Power Tools, took one of the best compound miter saws for the money, essentially updated the logo and gave it a lower price. If you're currently searching for a quality miter saw, yet have a rather restrictive budget to keep in mind, then this Metabo HPT saw should be worthy of your consideration. This saw includes all of the essential features that are needed to knock out almost any project, including a 0 to 45 degree bevel range, a hardy 15-amp motor, and thumb-actuated positive stops. However, one can purchase this saw at a fraction of the cost associated with many comparable units. Some users have stated that the saw's fence segments are not square with the unit's blade. This is reported to cause off-angle cuts on occasion. While this might be a serious issue for professionals, this saw is still likely one of the best options for budget-minded hobbyists. Number 3. Our third best pick is Bosch GCM12SD 1/2 dual bevel sliding miter saw. While more expensive than the DeWalt, the Bosch GCM12SD is professional-grade dual bevel sliding compound miter saw and includes a variety of extra features. The 15-amp 3800 RPM motor won't bog down and the saw is capable of cutting material. The first things you'll notice about the Bosch are the dual cast sliding table extensions which allow you to balance the material and provide more leverage when cutting left or right miters. The electric brake brings more safety to the job by stopping the blade spin quickly, and the unique saw body design allows for smoother cuts. You'll appreciate that the table has detents for most common miter cuts, providing bevel cuts up to 52 degrees to the left or 60 degrees right, the largest range of any of our contenders. The biggest flaw is that this model has a high number of moving or sliding parts, and requires careful maintenance to ensure accuracy. Great for an experienced user but maybe not for a beginner. It's also worth noting that while the build quality and features are excellent, it comes a cost. At £65, it's the heaviest saw on our list, so portability isn't its strong suit. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Makita LS1040 10 compound miter saw. Those in search of a heavy-duty miter saw that is also extremely portable, should find substantial favor in the Makita LS1040. This 10 saw features a powerful 15-amp motor, 9 individual miter stops, and a precision machined aluminum base. However, the Makita 10-inch miter saw weighs in at only 27 pounds, making it quite easy to pack around at any job site. It is worth noting that some consumers have expressed dissatisfaction toward the Makita's fit and finish. Most of these complaints have centered around misshapen plastic coverings and paint splatter. In short, if you are looking for a saw that looks fantastic, this might not be the best available choice. However, if you're looking for a working man's saw that gets the jobs done at a reasonable price, you're looking in the right place. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Delta 10 Sliding Compound Miter Saw. If you are in search of a do-it-all style miter saw that is extremely versatile, then it would be hard to go wrong with the Delta 262241. This 10-inch sliding compound miter saw features a convenient LED-powered shadow guide which substantially increases cutting accuracy, and makes it easy to replicate most any cut. With its 15-amp motor that runs at 4,000 RPM, impressive 16-inch cross-cut capability, and ability to cut standing base moldings, this Delta saw is more than robust enough to tackle almost any task. While Delta advertises fence segments of their saw as being easily removable, some have stated that this is not necessarily the case. In fact, these screws are anchored in place with the use of thread locker. However, this also means that there is little worry of the unit's fences inadvertently coming loose while in use. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.